Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can create a new task in your Sunsama account or the Sunsama application in 2026. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to the Sunsama app here, log into my account and navigate to the home section. You may navigate also to the today section if you like. Now next, browse through the calendar here at the bottom. You may use that slider and to locate the day you would like to add a task to. So for example, I added these two tasks to Monday, March 2nd and Tuesday, March 3rd. I will add a task to Wednesday here. So what you want to do is click into add task here, give the task a name like example task 1, and after that press enter to give it a name. Now you can customize it, for example, by clicking into it. And then guys, you may for instance start the given task by clicking into this timer button. Then you may assign a planned duration like 5 minutes or 2 hours, or clear the duration, comment on it, leave notes, set a due date, add subtask, and also access some other options here. Now, what you want to do, guys, is also assign a time of the day. So what you want to do is navigate to the given day, which is in this case here, March 4th. And you will see your task here to the right. Let me just find, navigate to Wednesday, and you will see the task here. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see the overview here. Now simply left click into the task and move it to the time slot you would like to start the task with, like 2 p.m. in the early afternoon, for example. And that's it. That's how you create a task on Sunsama. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.